So, how do you grow quickly on social media without posting your face? This is a question that might come up a lot when you're thinking about being a faceless creator. You want to be posting savable and shareable content. The goal of each of your reels or TikTok videos should be that you want them to either be super shareable or super savable, ideally both. Engagement is what causes the Instagram and TikTok and other social media algorithms to keep pushing your content out to more people. And the most important engagement right now is sharing and saving. Shareable content is what makes your ideal follower think, this is so me, or this reminds me of this person. I need to send it to them to say, hey, isn't this so me? Or hey, this reminds me of you. The content is specific enough to your niche that it makes them feel seen, heard, or understood, and then they want to share it. Savable content is providing something of value that your ideal follower wants to come back to. This can be knowledge, encouragement, guidance, advice, ideas, anything that they would want to save and come back to later.